just come back in the room, just went downstairs and had a bit of a breakfast, and yeah, I got I guess another full day and the last day here on the Gold Coast. So just currently in my sort of hotel room here. I'll give you a bit of a pan around on the Gold Coast. This is where I'm, originally from, or I should say probably lived here on the Gold Coast for the last, 7 to 8 years. It was probably my third stint of living here on the Gold Coast. But yeah, I've got a full day, gonna do some packing and gonna do some sightseeing. So just got the bag here, all the tools, Digital Nomad tools that you need. And yeah, just gonna go out and do one last day of filming and just taking in, the last of what I can from the Gold Coast before I head off. So yeah, fly out tomorrow actually, which will be my birthday. And yeah, super excited. I'm heading over to Chiang Mai in Thailand. Never been to Thailand before. I've been to a couple of places in Southeast Asia before, but never Thailand. And really, this is the start of my, digital nomad. I guess you can call it a career, or certainly an adventure. And yeah, really looking forward to getting out and just seeing another part of the world, and hopefully doing this as a long time strategy. So I don't know if you can see that outside. It's a bit, sun's in the way, so it's a bit glary, it's a bit blurry. But basically the beach, Surfers Paradise is like right behind me there, which is pretty cool. So, all right, gonna sign out and I'll speak to you soon. All right, so final day of Gold Coast, and we're here with the bro. This is Otto Peterson, Sniper Fitness. If you don't know,
yeah,
check him out.
That's good.
All right, so we're here, my home away from home. Event Cinemas, so yeah, part of the last day here on the Gold Coast. Yeah, chilling with the bro, obviously, and yeah, gonna go catch a movie. Seen pretty much the major ones, Spider-Man and all that, but yeah, we're gonna go check out one. Don't know too much about, so we'll give it a like at the end, see what we think. But
absolutely, and this here is one of the stomping grounds.
Yeah, absolutely.
This guy. So this is the last day, and cannot wait to look back on it, because this is part of the story.
Yep, absolutely.
Big journey.
Yeah.
It all starts here.
And yeah, obviously the goal for me and for the bro as well.
Absolutely. I'm right behind you.
Yeah, to be digital nomads, but
correct.
One of my key things wherever I go, man, there's got to be cinemas. Netflix, all that's cool, but 100%. I still love the traditional cinema. So wherever I go, needs to be good cinemas. So all right, well, let's go get some tickets and get into it. Finished watching the movie. Awesome movie, really recommend it. It's called Booksmart. Real funny, kind of a female version of Superbad, if you know that one. But yeah, we're just stopping off now at the new location, so I'll just spin you around and show where we're at. Yeah, just chilling out. And as I said, last day on the Gold Coast, I thought I'd just come down and, get grounded on the beach. It's going to be probably one of the last times I'll have my feet in the sand. In Australia. And yeah, just really just taking in the day, really appreciating and much love, gratitude for what Australia has been. It's been my home for probably the last, probably 15 years, really, since I last did a major trip overseas. And yeah, it's just been something probably in the last couple of years that's really been calling on me to go back out into the world, see some other countries, experience some other cultures, and really just do something different. So that's what today's about. It's just really just appreciating, what the Gold Coast has to offer, and it obviously does have a lot. I'm not going to make this a tourism video, but yeah, this is just part of the day, and yeah, just really just taking in the beautiful scenes. So got the sun here behind me. It's a little bit cold. We are in winter, hence why I'm wearing a jumper. But that's not going to stop me from coming out and enjoying a beautiful day like today. Alright, so we've just finished up at the beach and we're just coming for the last supper, the final feed, to one of our secret little Indian places. Probably the best butter chicken I've ever had. Best butter chicken on the Gold Coast for sure. Yeah, so we're looking to some naan bread. Rose got some extra chicken tandoori there. Some chicken rice, so on, so on. All right, back from the day. Heading up to the room one more time. All right, 5:30 in the morning. I've just gotten up, had a shower, got everything packed, ready to go. Bags, and this is it. Birthday, flying out day, new start of new life day. As you can see, pitch black outside. So yeah, just about to call an Uber to the airport and away we go. All right, well, here we are at the airport. Excited, got through all the customs and all that, just waiting for the flight to start boarding, which will probably happen next probably 20 minutes or so. But yeah, got through all the hard part, which was saying goodbye to everyone, all the friends and family, and yeah, getting to the airport and getting through customs and all that. So yeah, literally all that's left to do is jump on the plane and yeah, start this new journey, start this new vision for myself. So yep, on the Gold Coast, about to head to Singapore, do a day stop over there, and then into Chiang Mai, Thailand, and as I said, start of a new life, start of a new adventure. So yeah, super excited, and yeah, can't wait to get going. Alright, so just landed in Chiang Mai, so I got through immigration okay. The flight from Singapore was, yeah, quite simple, real easy, just under 3 hours I think. So yeah, so first time in Thailand, so I've just taken it all in. I've got my nice little taxi lady here, Loon. Pre-booked taxi, so very, very helpful, easy, and she's just taking me to the accommodation now. So yeah, looking forward to getting settled in. All right, so we're just in the back of a taxi heading into the new location. So at the back door there. So yeah, just been staying at temporary accommodation for a week, and about to head to a new place, and this will be the place for the next month. So yeah, pretty excited. Alright guys, so here we are at the new digs. So this is definitely a lot more set up for me in regards to got the desk, got the Wi-Fi, so I'll be able to work from here a lot better. Bit more room, bit more just sort of getting set at home. So here we go, bed, bathroom, toilet, sink, shower. Some pre-provided inspiration, which is always good. Whoa. But all in all, yeah, this is going to be home base for the next 3 weeks, and we'll get the business launched from here. All right.